is a juicy little secret I got from my dad, and it's been my go-to whenever I feel like snatching up every potato chip in the grocery store.
Less juice.
My dad used to make this exact juice when he was cutting back on sugar and trying to get his energy back after work. It smelled like earth and sunshine, and it tasted oh so delicious. I was not a fan of beets, and he was like, try this beet juice. And I tried it, and I was like, where is the beet juice? Keep bringing that. That's what inspired this recipe. I live by this blend. This is my all-time favorite. It's just 4 simple ingredients: beet, ginger, lemon, and apple. Easy to juice, affordable, and effective. A lot of the time, cravings aren't just emotional, they're biochemical. Your body could be screaming for magnesium, potassium, or even just natural sugar. And guess what? Beets are rich in all 3. Red apples add sweetness and fiber. They help stabilize your blood sugar. So when you want something sweet,
Azúcar.
reach for this beet juice. Lemon cuts the earthiness and gives you the vitamin C for immunity. It helps your body absorb the iron from the beets. If you're anemic, you know. And ginger, that's your anti-inflammatory. It's belly soothing, your metabolism boosting bestie. When you're juicing beets, here's the golden rule: don't peel them. That deep red skin is loaded with antioxidants that support your liver. That means better blood flow, more energy, and glowing skin. People are going to stop and ask you, what are you putting on your skin? You're going to have to tell them it's an inside job. Always juice the beets first. They need a little more push. Then follow with the lemon and ginger for that zing. It's just like this chef's kiss. Mwah! The lemon and ginger make it pop. Red apple goes last. It flushes out the pulp and it leaves your juicer cleaner. You're welcome. Look at that color. That's not juice. That's liquid power. Beets don't even play around. 1 glass of this and you're going to feel the shift. Brain wakes up, your digestion kicks in, and that late afternoon slump is gone. This is the juice I reach for after a weekend of snacking, being naughty, when my period is coming, or when I need to reset. It's simple, powerful, and honestly, it makes me feel like I'm glowing from the inside out. I know some people say they hate beets, but try them like this, balanced with sweet apple, the spicy ginger, and the refreshing lemon. You won't believe the difference. And yes, your pee might be pink. That's normal. It's called beeturia. You're fine. Are you a beet lover or beet avoider? Either way, you've got to try this at least 1 time. It's my go-to beet juice passed down from my dad that has never let me down. Whether I'm fighting off cravings, boosting my energy, or just trying to reset after a wild weekend, this juice hits every time. Now, if you don't have red apples or prefer a little more tartness, you can totally sub in green apples. They give a sharper flavor and they're slightly less sugary. Still delicious, still effective, especially for a detox. Before you go, make sure you grab your free copy of the Beet Cheat Sheet. It's loaded with pro tips, prep hacks, red versus golden beet comparisons, and even ideas if you don't own a juicer. If you're watching this around lunchtime, Beet Week is coming up. 7 full days of juices, detox meals, and snacks to reset and glow from the inside out. Check the link in the description or head to my stand store to grab your freebie and get your grocery list ready. I dare you to beat me. Stay juicy, and I'll see you in the next one. High vibrations. Are you ready to unlock the power of juicing and transform your health in just minutes a day? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by where to start, what recipes to try, or how to handle juicing challenges, I've got the perfect solution for you. I'm LaLa, your high vibe coach, and I created the ultimate juicing bundle to make your juicing journey simple, stress-free, and oh so rewarding. This bundle includes everything you need to juice with confidence and consistency, whether you're a beginner or looking to level up your wellness game. No more guesswork. Get clear answers to frequently asked questions like, how many juices should I drink a day, and can I juice while working out? Over 50 mouth-watering combinations for detox, weight loss, and immunity designed with your health goals in mind. Turn your leftover pulp into delicious snacks and meals. Troubleshoot common juicing problems like budgeting, scheduling, and consistency. This e-bundle is designed to save you time, money, and keep you motivated. Download your juicing e-bundle now and start transforming your health today.